Welcome back, guys, to Fun Plays. Today we're gonna learn sea animals and wild animal names. Let's have fun. Let me introduce you to our Mickey Mouse Clubhouse pop-up. It has number 1, 2, 3, 4. Colors yellow, blue, pink, and green. Now let's pop them. Donald, Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto. Now let's get ready to pop some animals. We have a hammerhead shark, a hippopotamus, lemon shark, and a tiger. Okay, ready? Whoa, that was so cool. Here we go again. Calling in the other animals. Here we have a whale shark, a cheetah, leopard shark, bear. Are you guys ready to be popped? All right, let's do it again. Oh no, it landed on the hippo. Sorry, hippo.
Wow.
Okay, guys, we only have 4 animals left. Let's see who they are. A horn shark, a zebra, a Japanese saw shark, and a gorilla. All right, it's popping time. Oh, that was pretty hard. Oh no, I think we have a pile-up. That was so much fun, guys. Are you ready for a surprise? Okay, let's bring it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, we have 2 surprises. We got a My Little Pony surprise bag. Let's open it up. This is a flyer where it shows all the possibilities of what you can get. Now let's see who we got. Oh, look at how cute. It's Rainbow Wishes. Look at that cute little rainbow with the star. Super cute and adorable. Let's set her up right by this beautiful orange tree. She'll have a blast right there. Next, we have a Tsum Tsum mystery pack. What do you guys want to get? We got Iron Man last time. Okay, let's find out. Oh, look, it's Rocket Raccoon. He's so cute. Look at his armor. I love it. with this cute little stand. Okay, here you go. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye. If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one, or up here for this one.